Yo, what up, everyone? We're back again. New York session, Friday. What is gonna happen with DXY? I have a small feeling we're gonna have a New York session reversal profile, but yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm inclined to say New York reversal, um, basically because we hit the daily volume imbalance yesterday, right? Now we're breaking down, leaving liquidity down here. Technically breaking structure on the 1 hour. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour looks okay-ish. If we break down today, we can have a little bit more bearish week perhaps next week. So we'll have to wait. At least we can draw into this daily fair value gap later next week probably. But for now, I'm feeling a New York session reversal. I posted this on Twitter, this key level. This key level did not get violated straight up, which is fine. Actually better that it didn't get violated, because now we traded above daily opening price, right? So trading above daily opening price and then forming the high of the day is better than forming the high of the day below daily opening price, in my opinion. So actually the high of the day is over here, but yeah, we'll see what happens. So welcome again to the stream, guys. Justine, FXMA back again. I'm good. How are you? D'Artagnan also back. Marwan, Kenneth, long time no speak. How are you, man? PGS, BGZ, Rico Overmars. What are your chart colors? It's green and black and white. But I can pull up the thingy in a bit. Hold on. Gold longs from 1 hour for value gap. Yeah, I'm feeling indices bullish. I'm feeling gold also bullish. Basically, this engineered liquidity will probably stay intact for a while. But yeah, we'll see. I will avoid gold because I don't like how this structure is formed. I mean, this structure was way better. This sell I took yesterday. So yeah, let's see what this is doing. This is also a key level for order flow. As long as we're staying above this key level here, we are still bullish, but I'm getting a vibe we're gonna violate it. So basically I'm waiting for this to happen so we can have a more bullish GBP USD. We might form a market maker buy model soon, because we have this original consolidation here. We have a imbalance in premium over here also, right? And potential Thursday low of the week. If I go to the 5, we're starting to form bullish order flow, right? Because we violated this gap here. Let me make it orange. So we're violating this one, and now we're respecting this one. So I can see us switch order flow over here. So I personally will not be looking for sells on EU or GU, because I'm anticipating DXY to run lower from this fair value gap. T-GIF. I mean, I think we need to take out previous daily low for a T-GIF, right? But essentially, yes, back to into the weekly range. Sandeep Jaran Ramku Kumar just came from T-Trade's retweet. New subscriber here. You sound like MMXM trader, huh? Why do I sound like him? Tell me. But thank you for joining, man. Welcome if you're new. Look at how clean and smooth the lows on gold during Asia was left intact. During Asia. Why are you at one over here? Wait, I want a different day. Hold on. No, I'm doing it fine. Let me see. Yo, glitch in the matrix, how are you? Haha, oh my god, you get asked this almost every single stream. Yes, I get this asked every single stream. That's true. It is true. So New York session reversal. This is the profile for today for DXY. So I will not be looking for sells on EU or GU or any dollar pair. And I feel like we've got another opportunity once we break through this one, and we can use this black candle over here as a resistance. And then I like to see this form as a market maker sell model short term, because long term I'm still bullish because I want to see us go all the way up here in that monthly fair value gap, right? I was not unmuted on Discord, my bad. Nobody's in the chat right now anyway, so. But yeah, I want to see this area like a short-term market maker sell model form, right? Because I feel like this is the low risk sell in the market maker sell model right now because we hit a key level, higher time frame. We broke structure over here, right? So over here. No break of structure to the bottom. And always put a light bulb here, of course. Otherwise it doesn't work, right? No, but for real, we're breaking structure. Now we left a short-term high over here during New York midnight open. Then we run up above daily opening price, forming a protected high potentially. So in technically speaking, every fair value gap which is being formed right now should be respected, and we should just bust straight down into discount. Rico Overmars, what is the daily indicator with Friday and Wednesday, etc.? It's just a vertical line. So if you go to your tool, you have vertical line over here, right? You can put it, and then you just type in whatever you want, and it shows up down there. And you do text orientation, do vertical, right? And then you've got, so it's no indicator. I do this manually every day. Look at this reversal profile coming into play right now. Very good. Kenneth with the Bitcoin. Always at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, yeah. I mean, this asset is so hard. I don't like analyzing crypto or trading crypto. I will never trade crypto. No, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, technically we're sitting on this block here on the daily, but yeah, I have no clue. There's a relative equal high, so we might go up, but I prefer sell side. I prefer this one and then go up. But yeah, we'll see. I have no clue on crypto, if you don't mind. Can we look at Nasdaq? Yes, I'm feeling buys on indices today, and the main reason is because we liquidate all these lows down here. This one stays intact after a sell side rate, and then we have buy side liquidity above here, and this area over here is a buy side or sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, so a fair value gap on the daily, right? If you go to the daily, this is a fair value gap here. So I feel like we can at the end of the week, so it's Friday, we can have a retracement back into to fill this inefficiency. And then obviously the other two should follow along. We do have SMT. So Nasdaq's probably gonna be okay to trade. We took a look, we took out this low right over here. This candle low took out these lows, but they did not do it on Nasdaq. So yes. Look at that melt though. I'm personally in GBP USD right now because I was feeling Euro GBP should go bearish, but yeah, this is just consolidating. So I hope the dollar can keep falling. That would be lovely. Oh, do you want to see pain, guys? Today I traded GBP JPY. This one I sent in the group this morning that we should hold this order block over here, and I prefer to dip into this fair value gap, this inverse fair value gap, but we did not do that fully. Nonetheless, I still looked for a setup. Let me pull up my MetaTrader chart so you can see the pain. So let me go into replay so we can see what I was looking for. Right, so let's do this, right? Yeah, so this is what I sent out in the morning. Yeah, let me copy these charts so we can analyze what happened and the pain I endured during London session. So first of all, this was a sell side liquidity target, so I was aiming for a sell because we took out this high, right? Then we formed this candle over here, this bullish candle. So if we started to trade lower, I was feeling this inverse gap here, and this candle should hold price and then continue down into sell side, right? So if you go one candle further, right, like this, right? So now I was like, okay, we definitely should go down. So I entered a sell. Let me go over here, right? So enter a sell over here, right, on this candle, and I put my stop loss here. Spread took me out, literally on the high, and we hit target, right? The sell side liquidity target. So that was a little bit annoying. Then I waited because the target, the higher time frame, the POI was hit for intraday. So it went down and down and down, right? And then we go up over here and we start to move up. Then we hit that fair value gap here, right? We started to form a bullish order block, right? So I entered once this candle started to go bullish again from this fair value gap, right? So I entered over here, stop loss below this gap. And then I took a partial up here. So that was about, let me see, how many was it? 25 pips-ish. Yeah, 25 pip partial, and then it took me out break even. I'm still bullish on this. That's why I took another buy on this fair value gap, which was a solid fair value gap in my opinion. And I had my stop loss. I should have put it below this low, but I had it like over here. Right, I was like, no way it's gonna take, if it comes here, it's gonna take out the low anyway. But then it stopped me out, right? So nice painful price action today. So yeah, that was my GJ morning. Let me get back to the chat, sorry guys. Long story short, the OTE Trader, I'm struggling trader learning ICT concepts for the past 9 months, but I'm able to like backtest a solid strategy still, and I couldn't become profitable. I think 9 months is still very early in your journey. I think 9 months is definitely not enough to be consistent at that rate already, right? So maybe some people can do it within 9 months, but give yourself at least a year or 1.5 years and keep studying and try to form a model which fits your personality, right? On GU buy from 24 814 814 21 814. Nice. Yeah, I think it should be good. 814 took this for value gap, I suppose, so I like that. This for value gap you took. So I think that's a solid entry. Salim, well done. And hopefully we can continue our path higher. I'd like to see that. Point of view on gold. Let me see. I think a bullish move is more probable than a bearish move today. I could be wrong, of course, because gold sometimes is very erratic. Yeah, we're sitting on this bullish candle over here, but yeah, I personally I wouldn't touch gold today. Looks a little bit messy. AJ buy day, yeah, I was thinking the same, yeah. Oh shit, my entry got stopped out break even. That's unfortunate. Yeah, I was looking for buys on this as well because we had nice LR and there's a nice imbalance above here. So, well, that's unfortunate. Well, let's see what DXY is doing. Let's see, it's 8:45 right now. Right, so the situation over here on DXY, we hit that 1 hour fair value gap. I hope this high will stay intact. I think it should. We already hit the breaker here, so I don't think we should come all the way back up here. I can see this inverse gap over here. So at the furthest, I would like DXY to come in here, and then not any further than that. If we take the fib from this high to this low, that would be an OTE as well. So I favor highly likely this to move bearish from this area. So let's see if we can get that further. And then if there's more displacement to the downside, that would be lovely. Gonna come here regularly moving forward to learn better. Yes, sir. So I will probably be streaming once or twice a week starting next week. Probably once a week. So Jacob, how are you? I'm good. Salim, thanks. Yes, sir. Yes, it will all be posted on the Telegram, Chris. So keep an eye on that. Yes, it's private, Sandeep. You'll keep it for next week, maybe, as I'm targeting 50% of the daily fair value gap, taking partials once we violate the equal highs formed during London. Yes, I like that. I like that plan. You know what would be lovely if we can get like a seasonal tendency kick in because of that volume imbalance on DXY. Because the seasonal tendencies for the dollar are we should go bearish during September, October. So if that happens, that would be amazing. And then if it happens, I want to see this happen, like this fair value gap get violated, and then we find support on it. That would be something. Excuse me, something I would be looking for if it can get in line with seasonal tendencies. I am in GU buys. Yes, what's my entry? My entry is, let me see on my MetaTrader. Mm, 477 over here. I took it on this candle because change in state of delivery happened over here. So now it all depends on DXY. If we can hold this area. So hopefully it will hold, and then the GU trade would be a good one. Do I have to learn a model or an entry pattern in the long run? I do not have a fixed model, but I just read price and trade order flow, and I'm decently profitable. So basically you kind of have a model, right? Well, your model is based on order flow. But if you want to have like a mechanical model, you write down, okay, I want to see, let's say I want to see a key level get hit on this time frame. I want to see displacement on the other time frame. I want to see a fair value gap after maybe another low has been run or that kind of stuff. Yeah. So that's more of a description of a model. Jacob B. Learned a lot from yesterday's live session. Thanks. You are welcome, sir. Thank you for joining this stream. Rafal B. He's the best when he speaks, the market listens. I wish it did it always. But I had to endure a lot of annoyance with GBP JPY this morning, so what a pain. And also, guys, it's Friday, so chill out, right? Don't have to. We don't have to force today. I like to get in earlier in the week because then the expansion is more likely to happen, right? Now we're on a Friday, so what is the likelihood of we're gonna expand a larger range? It's a little bit lower than in the start of the week. Do you use the bond market for DXY? I used to use it, but I didn't really find any success with it, so I stopped doing it. Why the OTE trader? What do you mean, why the OTE trader? Right, let's get back to DXY, right? We did hit discount, right? So let's see if we can push up a little bit higher, or if we don't push up higher, that indicates that it's even more bearish than anticipated. Yes, it's big secrets, Rafal, big secrets. So what are you guys looking for currently? Are you looking at dollar pairs? Are you looking at indices? Are you looking at commodities? Let me know what you're looking for. If you want to like post a chart of what you're looking for, you can hit that button here and you do copy link, right? And then you copy the last part of the link. And then I can paste it in my browser. Yo, T-Trades. Big names in the chat, guys. How are you doing? Did you find anything today on the charts? I had like a very painful experience this morning on GBP JPY, but all good. Musa, how are you, man? You are looking for NQ and ES? Well, what are you looking for? If you try to decrypt the ICT logo, I'm still looking into it. No, I have not tried, and I will not try. I will not try to decrypt it. Not a fan of the weekly profile, eyeing indices. You're looking for buys, I hope, or sells. Hopefully we'll be on the same page. I think we should go into this BC or CB. But we'll see what happens. You don't have class for 2 hours? Nice. No class means trading. Was you in Josh Chartlab? Yes, I was in Josh Chartlab. Yes, sir. I've learned a lot from him when I just started out. Quick look at the UJ. DXY is dying, but UJ still looks bullish on the M5. I think JPY pair should all go up. That's why USD JPY will also go up, most likely. So now we kind of want to find the strongest currency to pair up with the JPY, right? If dollar does turn bullish again, if we do not hold this area, I hope it does because I really want to see that reversal profile. But right now the key level is down here, right? Only if this gets violated and traded back into, I'm gonna switch my my bias to bearish, because right now it's giving an early indication we might go bearish, but we need to hold this area in my opinion and then continue climbing lower or descending lower. If that doesn't happen, we're still bullish. So this is the more risky type of trade, right? If you're looking for buys on EU or GU, if you want to go with higher time from order flow, it's better to wait for this key fair value gap to get violated, and then we can look for a sell program.
Sir.
Hey, YG.
Why have you not stopped me?
What? Smoking
Why
cigarettes?
have you? No, I said no trading today,
Yeah, it do be like that sometimes.
and you are taking 4 trades on a Friday.
Yeah, it's terrible. But we'll see what happens. I'm in a GU buy, but we need to hold this level. Otherwise, we're just gonna go back to the highs, I feel like.
I I can't even, man. DXY is
Yeah, it's kind of rough
DXY has
today.
made me. Yeah.
But yeah, I kind of wanna get in early in the week. That's better for me. The expansion. My best days are like the Tuesday, Monday. Monday I don't trade, but the Tuesday. Sometimes I trade on Monday. It depends on how Friday was. If Friday was like a small range, then Monday is tradable. Um, but Tuesday and Wednesday is my best days. How long have I been trading? It started in 2019, November, under the wing of Raja. Return
My
above
guy.
New York midnight and OTE of the London range down. Honestly, mixed feelings. Yeah, I
Hey
mean,
yo, the Aman student is here.
what?
TT trades.
Yeah, TT
The
trades,
guy.
solid guy. I can frame both ways. Yeah, if you can frame both ways, it's kind of just a watch type of day, right? You're also thinking music overseer. I remember that name. You've been here last year too. I'm thinking buys also at the least take out the highs. Yeah. Nothing much here, but okay, let me see your chart, Sandeep. Let me see what you got for me. Unicorn model. So you're basically looking the same as what T-Trades just said. Let me see what you're looking. You're looking for this. Yeah, that could be a play. I don't like the lows down here, but I don't like there's a big imbalance above us. So, but for now, this looks actually pretty good. DXY needs to respect this, otherwise, guys, listen. Again, we are bullish DXY unless we trade below this gap here. So we're not bearish on DXY yet. We could have a New York reversal profile, but if you want to follow higher time frame, you need to wait for this one. So it's more risky to try to catch a sell on DXY over here. You sent me a DM on Twitter. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, that's a tough situation. I like how the lows on ES is like a good target, but there is SMT on the lows. For now, we're still holding this. Let me remove this. We're still holding this fair value gap. So no indication on the 1 hour we're gonna go bullish yet. But if I look at market structure, if this low stays intact and we do violate this fair value gap, then I see this being a very good setup going up, right? So we need to close above first with the 1 hour candle, and then we have a nice structure in place with these lows, this low, this low, and this low. Let me go back to the chat. The chat goes a little bit fast right now. Where was I? Any thoughts on this market maker sell model? Which market maker sell model? Sorry, I missed if I missed yours. previous chat. Do you always close your position when a fair value gap entry gets violated? Not always, but if it does, it's more likely to go down. So better to. Oh, I got stopped out break even, by the way, over here. Oh, that's fine. It ran 20 pips, but I did not partial because I was aiming for these highs and these highs.
What about your AJ?
I stopped out break even. Yeah,
Sir.
yeah, right here.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, it's only pain today. And GJ,
My GJ.
the GJ stop out on this wick.
Dude, I'm still in the buys. I'm still holding 2
Yeah,
lots.
but you were like down here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's better. But maybe I should have left the stop loss open. Or stop loss open. The stop loss was hit like by 1 pip, unfortunately. Wow, gold is just dumping.
Oh shit. Gold did not just, man.
It is like it took out all the buy stops over here.
It took out my break even.
Oh no, it's a Friday pain kind of thing, man. Not gonna lie. Looking for sells in gold, even DXY may bearish short term. What do you think? Yeah, gold doesn't always follow DXY, so you can definitely frame your setups on gold.
We only sell gold now from our bear.
Yeah, I mean higher time frame is still bearish. I'm still feeling that 4-hour market maker sell model, but yeah, we'll see. Did you do the voiceover for MMXM course? Yes, James, I did. Hello, so glad I found this live. Definitely sub. Thank you, George. Welcome. Appreciate the sub. So right now, it's a sit on my hand type of situation over here because it's not doing what I want. It's not respecting this. And that's also kind of to be expected. It taps the 1 hour for value gap once again. So if we do go down from here, it's still okay to go. But definitely this key fair value gap here should be the catalyst for a sell program to go all the way down here. Yeah, let's see how that develops. That's what those BBC make us do, over trading on Fridays. Yeah. Big true, Henry. Am I think that DXY wants to go deeper into volume imbalance, thinking on shorts on EU? Yeah, it might. Like I explained earlier, this is like a more risky anticipation that it might go bearish, but again, this is the key gap for a sell program. We are still bullish on DXY, as we did not violate this gap yet. So we might as well go into these highs. That's a probability. Right. Just looking at the calendar for next week, seems like a hyper volatile week. Yes, we've got euro interest rates, if I'm not mistaken. We've got CPI, if I remember correctly. So yeah, it's gonna be fireworks. Ik ruik Nederlands. Yes, you are smelling Dutch indeed. SMT on DXY and GU. Yeah, Euro GBP is kind of messing about, but yeah, we also have SMT on EU and GU right now. We took out this low on GU, but not on EU. Yeah, let's see what I have this twitch in my elbow and my muscles are cramping for no reason. So very annoying.
You lift up too much, man.
I guess. You can same. I don't want that. I can make a scenario for both sides. Yeah, that's a good indication. If you can make a scenario for both sides, then it's a no engagement. Music overseer, yeah, I was here last year. I agree, 50-50 day, just sitting and waiting. Yes, we need more evidence. Present your evidence. We are like detectives, right? Looking for keys and signatures. If the signatures line up, help us in our conviction to take a sell or a buy. Let the probabilities play out. Yes, that's definitely.
These questions, man.
I mean, I can't remember what kind of questions I asked when I was like newer, but it's probably like oh, that's actually a nice one. Somebody in that Nasdaq cell. Which time frame? 1 hour.
Somebody's in the cell already.
Yeah,
They
but
beat me to it.
but it's from up here. On the futures chart, it did not take out this candle, but on his chart it did. Can I copy it? Here, look. Look, this is the same candle, yeah. Or is this one? Yeah, it's this one. Oh, we did take it out. Okay, yeah, beautiful. That's a beautiful one. Now you want this gap to hold, right? Because as explained earlier, if we start to trade above this gap and we start to close above it with the 1 hour, I can see us go into these highs and stuff. So we'll see. But for now, it should be good because looks like we're holding still. Oh yeah, we have this little 1 hour gap here too for DXY. Look at how this week went so deep and then the bodies are still closing above the gap. The main reason my short bias was prevailed was because previous daily high was rated. Price was above midnight open, previous daily low wasn't rated, hence the bias. Nice, yes, that's a good read. Right, let me check this chart from KLH. Are we gonna look for sells on ES? I think we might have a setup coming up. It's pre-market open still. So we might not have a New York reversal for DXY. We're just gonna have a continuation, it seems. So sad about GJ from this morning. So sad.
You were literally in a literally in a seek and destroy, man.
Yeah.
Oh, you poor thing.
Right, let me check this chart. I think you copied the wrong link, KLH. You need to press the camera button and then copy link and then use the last part of it. If you're using a browser and you're copying over there, that's not the way. When do you move stops to break even? I like to do that when I see a let's say I'm in buys, right? Let's say I'm in like this. Let's say, wait, this is sell. Let's say I am in a buy from here. This fair value gap, for instance. Let's say that, right? I will go break even once we hit premium, return back into this gap, and then start to trade away from it and then breaking this high once again, right? Then I would go break even because then there's no reason for price to come back down here again because we already rebalanced this area. So I can assume this will be breakaway gaps. Tesla, I don't know. DXY printed 30-minute fair value gap. I see, yeah, we're kind of have to be careful right now, guys, because I do expect this 1 hour gap to hold, but again, the key level is down here. Why is that fair value gap key? Because we're still holding price action in this level because this fair value gap is in discount over here. If we rate if you violate the discount array, then we can use it as a premium array later, inversed, right? This Max Bremer, this is what I'm looking for on DXY, not something I would base a trade on. Since it's Friday, we already have 3 updates in a row. Yeah, that I like that. When it's 3 updates in a row, ICT also always says the avoid the 4th day. Oh, I see what you mean. Like a classic buy day profile. Yeah, that could be nice. Your higher time frame, we're still bullish, right? So you're looking at this going up, right? I like that. We'll see what happens. Right now I'm not really interested because I can make a case for both sides. We do have like clean highs up here. Gold is the only interesting pair right now. Is it? Gold looks kind of crazy right now. Ah, so sad about GJ. I'm not gonna lie.
3. They've taken 5 trades today.
Who are you?
And you.
I took 3 on on GJ, I took a GU, and I took AU. Yeah, that's 5. Damn, what's happening? Are you also the MMXM trader? No, I am not. AU looks like potential mark makes sell move forming after hitting daily fair value gap if DXY continues bullish, of course. AUD USD. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I don't like how this is. Look, this low has been rated already. We do have equal lows down here, but I feel like we're like generating orders to either push up into premium and then drop. I would not like to find a position in this area over here because it's not in a key level anywhere right now. But yeah, it could happen. FX Hunter, I mean, how do you know New York session is going to be retracement or reversal? It depends on if there's already targets ran and how London behaved. So for DXY, it looks like it looks kind of like a classic buy day because you traded below daily opening first and then expanding, and now New York is retracing from a fair value gap, taking out this low, and we're still holding bullish arrays, so we might just continue up. Let's see what this chart is. British pound, New Zealand dollar. Yeah, that's definitely correct. That looks very good. This looks like a gold chart, not gonna lie. Look, if you look at the gold 4-hour, you have the same kind of situation, right? Smart money reversal, first distribution, another one. If anybody can read Dutch, oh my god, in the chat. Do you always use 5-minute market structure breaks? No, no. I use for higher time frame order flow. I want to see intraday at least a 1 hour break of structure. But like a 15-minute or 5-minute structure shift, like on the lower, that's the lower time frame for me. Yeah, that's fine if I'm looking at the key level already. SMT on NCD USD and AUD USD. NCD USD, AUD.
Oh man, Tom. Don't look at GJ, man.
No, please no. Yes, we have SMT on
Don't
these
look at
highs.
it.
Okay, we have to look. Oh my lord, the pain.
uh,
Yeah, that's pretty unfortunate. Philippe Silveira once again dropping a 10 euro donation. Thanks, man. This is the
yo,
third time already. Thank you so much. That's I appreciate the support. Again, you don't have
better get a
to.
dozen of beer prepared for this guy, man.
Yeah, my fridge is already full of beers. No, but I appreciate the support. You don't have to donate, but thanks again. I will have a beer in your name.
Yo, you should do drunk trading.
No, definitely not.
One day I'll do that, man. One day.
One day. Yeah, all these JPY pairs should go up. What a sadness over here. Next time I'm just gonna put a limit on the CE of daily fair value gap and do like a 30 pip stop.
Next time, just enter where I enter.
Yeah, but you always enter when I'm asleep, man. Oh lord.
Just buy my services, man. Buy the GJ signals.
Alright, I'm really interested to see where this goes. I am inclined for buy still, but yeah, we need to wait for this gap here. I want to see how the body closes. What you looking in GBP USD longs or shorts? I'm more inclined for longs, but the structure is pretty ass right now. So I will avoid this and probably not gonna enter another one. I already took 5 trades today, so it's Friday. I'm going mad. No, but it is not bad to take 5 trades because if it's in your plan, then it's fine. Anush, yes, I agree. Can you explain what a breakaway gap is, please? Yes, a breakaway gap is a fair value gap where price did not tap into again, right? So we have one over here, which means there's a lot of volume, right? Now, the likely reason a breakaway gap is a breakaway gap because there is a PD array above it protecting it, right? So in this occasion, we have a breaker, right? Price dips into the breaker and moves up again. So this one is like a fortified wall before this array. So that's my understanding why something is a breakaway gap. Yo, Cash, what's up? What's the outlook for Indices today? I'm feeling buys. Feeling buys into the CB. But it's kinda in a tricky situation right now. because we have a CB above here. Depends on if this 1 hour candle closes above here. I'm more inclined to say we're gonna go higher, but we need to wait for a closure. Okay, let me grab a drink real quick. Ah, that was quick. I wanted to see longs as well on EU and GU, but GU hit the daily CB in London itself with the move happening in Asia. Yeah, you kind of want that CB to be untouched, right? So you have a target to trade into. But, GU looks like something you don't want to trade right now. Although it looked like it was moving solidly at the start of New York kill zone. That's why I entered over here, but I got stopped out break even. Len, are you here? Joel, Skype? Hmm. If these highs were not here, this is a Model 2 type of beat. Huh.
Huh.
Huh. Len Steendijk, Max, ik moet met Karin werken vanavond. Who is Karin? Crisis.
Oh, what did you just say?
No, Len says he has to work with Karin tonight. Red race Karin.
Red race Karen.
This is a Model 2
Broken.
type. If these highs were not here, I would be all over this.
Just get in, man.
Let's get in. Do it.
Do it.
Yeah, bodies are still respecting, yeah. But I don't think it will be respected for much longer. We'll see what equity open does. It's in like 7 minutes. OTE Trader, over een paar jaar liggen we op de boot naar Spanje. Scheidsziek van die neigen tot 5. Sowieso. Fuck die shit. What kind of boat though? Hey, good luck, Glenn. See you later. Thanks for joining the stream. I'm very interested in this one. See if we can go bullish.
This is my 5th day catching equity open.
Yours?
Yep. I've only started trading indices this week, right?
Yeah.
Damn.
EU
I
M5
hate
looking
it.
interesting. It sure does, yeah. You might be onto something, TT. So yeah, I was at my first initial instinct was New York reversal profile. So maybe I should stick with the instincts. Okay, okay. Can we return? Can we return here though? Without taking out this high. CISD? What's that? Oh, change in the state of delivery. My bad. What's your take on EU? Buys looked fine earlier, but now the equal lows make it go either way. Yeah, again, DXY is kind of in a decisive little area where either we go bearish next week or we keep going on bullish. So that's kind of the situation. Hey yo, trademarks, how are you? Are you looking for anything today? What are you looking for? Indices? Yes, you only trade indices, right? Yeah. NQ respected the 4-hour fair value gap. Yeah. So we have to take in consideration it's Friday and we might retrace. You're taking it easy today? All right. That's a solid plan.
That's a solid advice, man.
Yeah.
Should have followed it.
Let's take this one. It's in discount. I'm in a long from M5 on EU. Nice. I hope it continues. That would be great. And I'm kinda secretly hoping we're gonna violate this 1-hour fair value gap today and close below it. So we might have a bearish week next week. That's what I'm hoping to see. It is it's a Model 2 YG. I'm not gonna lie.
It is on EU as well,
Yeah.
right? Oh Lord.
Oh no. But I
Oh
already took
Lord.
5 trades.
One more wouldn't hurt, man.
one more. Just one more.
You only lose when you stop. Just do it. There's nobody stopping you. You look like a clown if you take the trade and win. And you look like a clown if you don't take the trade and don't win.
Yeah, true.
And you look like a clown if you take the trade and lose.
Yeah.
So you look like a clown no matter what.
This is me right now. One more. One more.
Yes, one more.
Nah, but the Model
It's
2 is
only
gone.
over trading.
I should have went in over here. I should have went on over here. Ah, no, it's fine. It's fine. It's Friday.
We
Just
have ended with a win.
just do it.
Think about how good it would feel.
Yeah.
Oh god, I'm the worst.
For EU, I like the London swing to New York open reversal with M5 and hourly fair value gap, but just don't like the London structure. Yeah. I mean, we have. I'm gonna miss this, am I? No, I'm not gonna take anything. I already took too much.
No.
No.
What's with the attitude, man?
Maybe pull out the gambler.
Yes.
Okay, we'll pull out the gambler.
Spanker.
But gold buys though.
Oh. Oof. I don't know, man. I'm just looking at US30 and NQ.
1 minute we have equity open. We're gonna see what's gonna happen.
How misleading you.
I need a Model
Quick.
2 indicator, man, and then it needs to alert me so I don't miss it.
That should be pretty simple.
Yeah.
Model 2 EA.
Like I built like a robot who takes a trade for me. wondering if you can code like a EA that it understands what the daily order flow is. Then it would work, but I'm not
Nah.
sure if you can program that.
The chart will have to fulfill conditions for the EA to determine it.
Hmm. You can
I learned a
just
thing or two.
this guy. You can just use the replay to get in. Shit,
Why
why?
didn't I think of that?
Yeah, exactly. That V shape at London highs prefer clean failure swings. Yeah, V shape.
Oh my
But we
lord.
do have clean highs above here. That's the thing.
Sir, look at what you're missing.
Yeah, man, stop. It's happening, guys. The New York reversal.
Holy shit, indices. I'm glad I sat on my hands, man. What the hell? I guess we're going for the highs.
Today, YG, I feel like I was in London session, and why am I trading London session? Well, New York is setting up perfectly right now.
More
And
like, why did you take 5 trades
no,
before New York?
I knew where this was going. I knew where this was going. I knew this was gonna go down, but it just why this? Why this wick? And the spread took me out, and it dropped 30 pips. That was one.
Ouch.
That could be one winner. Then the buy was also almost 30 pips, but it was a partial, so nothing too much gained. And then buying again down here, and then getting stopped out again. Similar situation over here. Just I can't, man. I can't.
You
I'm gonna miss this. This is ass.
and you took them outside of Q zone as well. You crazy, crazy man.
I took what?
You took the trade outside of Q zone. You took the
Yeah, but sometimes that doesn't matter. I don't. I mean, there's more volume in the kill zone, but you can still get in outside of the kill zone.
crazy.
Man. Okay.
Dude, my Nest cells were literally perfect entries for buys.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Goddamn, this fair value gap was so good. I should have went in.
Exactly, man. Look at you now. You're the clown.
I'm so sad. Ah. Whoa, 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 whoa. I want to do another. If I want to do this as this sound effect, but I did
What?
the wrong one.
So harsh. I'm harsh.
Got in on the inversion gap. 5 minutes.
I feel great.
What is this? Oops. Nice, TT. At least you caught it. Did you take this one? This inversion one? Got ES longs. Nice. That's high probable. Man, TT is catching them all.
What a crackhead, man. What the heck?
Oh, he's winning. That's what he's doing.
What a crackhead. I need to divorce from my buyers, man. Screw this.
What's your bias?
Sells.
No, no, no. I told you earlier I were bias for Indices.
I'm married.
You are married. to the charts.
I'm a married man. Shut up. Uh,
For me, guys, this is a situation. This happens sometimes. I know highly likely where the draw is, almost like 80% of the time, but yeah, didn't get in, and then that's okay. But a little bit of sadness, of course. But we can just watch it. That's fine. You are stopped out from your position? No, I don't analyze stocks. Thank you, but 5-minute structure said I was wrong. Let me see. Yeah, I feel you. I'm currently with 2023 mentorship. I studied 2022 before and I don't have a clear model yet. Do you think I have to study the core content on the market maker series to improve and find a model? I think that 2022 is a model, right? But if you want to know all the ins and outs, I definitely recommend studying core contents. Yes, of course. All right, let me check out your DM. Yes, I like it. I like it. Solid TT. Anush, I have the same. I have the same. I know the buys for many, and then it just didn't pan out the way I did, the way I wanted it. So maybe GJ broke my mental for New York session. I think that's it.
can't blame GJ, man.
Yeah, this should be a nice runner if there's equal highs up here, YG. So I don't know how long you're planning to hold it, but
I'll hold it till I'm old.
yeah, that's a pretty wild then.
I mean, I don't have to care about this trade anymore. It's risk-free.
Yep. No music this Friday? Yeah, we'll do a music-free stream because some people found the music a little bit too distracting. So maybe we'll do music on Fridays. So next Friday we'll do music.
Boom, 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 boom.
Yes, my God, yes. You were expecting New York reversal because of TGIF or because DXY tapped volume imbalance? Mainly because, yes, it's Friday, so but the main reason DXY hit that daily volume imbalance, yes, that's more important than that it's Friday. And then we are trading above daily opening also. Then we had that 1 hour fair value gap here. And if we violate this one today, next week I'm gonna look for lower prices on DXY to at least fill up this daily fair value gap here. So that's going to be interesting. Let's see if we can get a retracement. Clean low, clean highs left behind. You hear the rumors about Nvidia? Yeah, YG told me there's like some shit going on.
$1 billion fraud.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, TT, it's what it is. What it is. Next time I'll catch it. I'm pretty sure next week I'm gonna catch something. If DXY provides me that market structure I'm looking for. Music overseer looking for sell still on indices. I mean, I feel like the buy was the play for AM session, start of AM session into this area here. If you're looking for sell, definitely wait for this area, but I don't know if this is sustainable. We do have equal lows down here though. Yeah, that could be a good area over here.
Man, US 30 is so weak though.
Yeah, it's not even pushing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we talked about Nasdaq probably being the stronger one for this session because of the SMT on the lows. Because Nasdaq did not take out the lows, while ES and YM, well, YM did not take out these lows, but YM is YM or US30. So so Viana, what do you think is better to start with the market maker series or then core content?
Wait, YM is US 30?
Yes,
Huh?
it's not YG, it's YM.
Wait a minute. Which one am I supposed to use?
YMU 2023.
Not Dow Jones?
That's like a free, that's like a CFD. It's like we watch futures charts, so that this is the correct price. Because futures
What?
charts are like the sometimes on like if you trade US30 on a CFD chart, might some low or high might get taken out, and on the futures it did not. So always use the futures. TT T trades. Well, everyone that is in here from my retweet, welcome. The OTE Trader is a gay dude and friend. I'm off for the day. See y'all. Thank you, T trades, for joining. Appreciate the retweet. And everyone in the chat, of course, follow T trades on Twitter if you haven't already. Got some great content. James, is your voice the voice on the MMXM course? Yes, yes, it's my voice. Yes, you are correct. Thank you for joining, T. Mr. TT. SMT among ES, NQ, and YM. Yeah, SMT is plenty. And I'm so hot in my country right now. It's 29 degrees, 30 degrees almost.
Oh damn, that is my temperature now. What a crisis, dude.
I know, right? It's crazy. DXY is sus? No, I don't. I don't think. I think we should go down.
Isn't it autumn now? Why is it hot?
Yeah, that's a good question. Why is it hot? Maybe some climate change. Who knows?
But it's fake. Donald Trump said it's fake.
Yes, and the Earth is also flat. Ik trade ook Londen max, want deze Londen vandaag was een beetje kut, maar ja, wat doe je eraan? Sorry for all this question. I just want to improve. So market maker series first or the core content? Just go with core content because the market maker series I think is also good to watch afterwards. But the core content is, I mean, that's the most good shit that there is out there. So everyone, if you're new, we're having a lot of viewers today. Almost like we almost at a peak of 100. So that's amazing. Like 2 weeks ago, we started with like 40 viewers or 35. So we're ramping up the numbers. I like it. If you like the content, guys, hit that like button and also subscribe if you don't want to miss the content, of course. And I like to have engagement with y'all. James, you can if you follow the Telegram, the link is in the description. I will post in like a few hours. I will post everything you need to know. First time here, nice. Anush, thank you, sir. Sometimes on stream, if price starts to consolidate, right, that's yeah, that's annoying for the stream, you know, because I like to tape read what we're gonna look for. I'm not a signal service, so you will never see me. You'll never see me do this like, okay, I'm gonna short here with a stop loss over here, and I'm looking to target this because I'm not a signal service. But we're gonna read how every PD array should react and what is high probable to happen next. Look at GU, so sad. It's not strong at all.
Damn. The EG phenomenon, man.
Yeah, EG is really messing about with GU.
What? EJ. Oh my god. Yo, my GJ is being cock blocked right now, man.
Yep. EJ is pushing harder. Also Model 2 on this one. Start of New York. Yeah, I think EU is gone. I was kind of hoping it would come back into discount, but I don't think it has to because this already in discount already in premium on DXY, like slightly. What's my opinion on sales on ES after we swept the 1 minute high? I would not look for sales unless I would not look at sales at all, but wait above here because right now you're in the discount of this range. And we're attacking buy side right now, so I don't think looking for sells right now is a good decision. That's my personal opinion. Alright, remember with SMT, Flues, okay? If you have SMT, SMT is most likely to work when you're with order flow. So if you see, right now we have bullish order flow, if you see SMT on the highs, it's less likely to hold because it's against order flow. And that's how I use SMT. Right, so what do I see as drawn liquidity on EU right now? London highs or the daily fair value gap? Definitely daily fair value gap. And I think we are right now in YG. I'm getting
Oh.
Okay. I think motherfucker. I'm thinking this is original consolidation. So we're gonna go into a short-term market maker buy model for next week, right? So if you have a runner, this is a partial area, so I would hold until here, or you can take partials above the Depends on your RR, right? If you're up like 5R, definitely just partial above this high too. So securing above 5R is always a good idea. Man,
Do you not use your gambler?
yes, I did, but I waited for. I was watching the discount area for EU,
Oh, you
but
greedy.
this one already hit, so I should have entered when this got hit. But yeah, it's fine.
Ouch.
I don't wanna show myself having FOMO, right? So I'm not gonna enter just because I think it should go up. But yeah, kind of sad, but it's okay. At least the analysis is playing out for this stream, right? So I'm thinking, is there a stream where the analysis didn't play out this week? I think we correctly read every bias this week.
Yep.
Pretty sure. Yeah, pretty sure. Hi Tom, what's the SMT for JUR 40? I'm not sure. That's a German index, so
Ooh.
I've maybe you have JUR 30 too, I think. Yeah, you have
Yeah, I
30
wanted
and
to
you have
trade that pair,
40.
man.
Huh?
Aren't they the same? They are the same.
Are they the same?
Yeah, it's just at some point they added 10 more companies into the index, so it's
Ah,
40.
I see.
Yep.
Old follower of yours, but new to the stream. I've learned a lot from you and love your content, bro. Thank you, Shahir. Thank you for joining the stream too. Yeah, we started the Telegram. We started in, when did we start it? 2021 September, I think, somewhere around that. So it's almost, yeah, it's 2 years old right now. The Telegram, very nice. I think we're almost at, yeah, we're at 1850 subs on the Telegram. That's pretty good. Oh man, I remember when I had like 200 or 300 followers. I did one-on-one calls for free with the Telegram followers. It was a lot of fun. I did like 20 or 25 calls for free back then. We did a lot. We did a lot of calls back then. It was fun. But I simply don't have time for that right now. YG, what are you doing? Your microphone is.
Oh, sorry. It's very windy here, man.
I see. Thought something was up. Yeah, this is just gonna draw lower. And guys, remember next week if we stay closed above this fair value gap, it's highly likely we're gonna form a short-term market maker sell model. Okay, so from then on out, I'm only gonna look for buys on EU and GU because I always want to be on the side of the curve where the market maker model is on, right? So I was only looking for sells once we were in this side of the curve, and I'm only looking for buys once we're on this side of the curve. Life is hell and misery. Looking at this.
Dude, imagine. Imagine my NAS.
What, your sell or your buy?
My cells. I was at the bottom, and my lord.
Gold buys though, we said earlier, but how do you get in on this?
You got that mini gap. BBC. You can actually enter off these though.
Of what?
You can actually enter off that VPR, yeah? That's like the
This one.
riskiest entry above it.
Oh yeah, actually, yeah. Right, time to remove the limit on the gambler. It is gone.
You should add the the MT5, the soundboard for opening a position.
Yeah, the full margin sound.
Chung.
I mean, right. Let's see. If EU doesn't reach the daily fair value gap, then it may be next week. There may be another buy opportunity to complete the market and make a buy model. Yes, yes, yes. We have also SMT Richard on the NQ and ES. What's the fee for the Discord? You can. I'm gonna post it in the Telegram in a few hours, and then access is opened. Almost silver bullet time. Are you going to be trading it? No, I am not gonna take a trade anymore today. I already took 5, so it was a little bit too much today already. So I'm not gonna look to re-enter anything. But next week I am looking for this fair value gap to be violated, or if we can do it today, that would be even better. So we can go back into it on Monday and then continue lower, and then we can use this one too. And then I'm looking for the imbalances and this original consolidation. We have CPI next week too, so can you check oil? Yeah, fundamentally, the oil should just keep going up because they're cutting production of oil barrels by 1 million barrels. So they're enhancing the price of oil. These bastards, these greedy bastards.
Manipulation, man.
Like these oil companies and Saudis don't have billions already. They gotta screw over everyone with this deal. But right now you have relative equal highs. We already ran this low, but yeah, it's kind of sort of in a consolidation right now. So don't know how much a sustained move is possible, and it's Friday too. Okay, let's see DXY one more time. Oh yes, still dropping. Lovely. I think we'll wrap it up over here, guys. I think this was an okay stream. We read the bias correctly for DXY, EU, GU, ES, GJ. I did not manage to catch anything, unfortunately. But next week we're gonna go and look for those DXY cells if we can close above or below this fair value gap, and I think it's pretty high probable we're gonna do that. If you're not following the Telegram, guys, the link is in the description, and my Twitter also. I'm not active too much on Instagram, so don't follow Instagram. But keep an eye on the Telegram. I will post access for the Discord in a few hours and what's included and what we're gonna do. So let's get some people in there, and I hope you all have a great day, a great weekend, and let's catch them next week again. Take care.